Hello everyone, I am Sapna Shirla. Today we are going to learn about types of keys in DBMS. First, we see about what is key in DBMS. A key is simply an attribute or a group of attributes that uniquely identifies each record in a table. Think of it like a unique ID that helps us find one specific row among thousands. Now let's see types of keys in DBMS. There are 6 types of keys that are: first primary key, second super key, third foreign key, and fourth secondary key, fifth candidate key, sixth alternate key. First we first type of key is primary key. A primary key is a column that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It has two important rules. It cannot be null and it must be unique. Also, a table can have only one primary key. Now, we see one example. In a student table, the roll number column can be the primary key because each student has a unique roll number. Next is super key. A super key is any set of attributes that can uniquely identify a row in a table. Note, all candidate keys are super keys, but not all super keys are candidate keys because super keys can have extra unnecessary attributes. Here, one example. In a student table, the combination of roll number, name, and phone number is a super key, even though roll number alone is enough. Next is foreign key. A foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key of another table. It helps create a relationship between two tables. Here is one example. In a student table, the roll number column can be a foreign key that links to the student table primary key. This way we can see which student took which course or scored how many marks. Next is candidate key. A candidate key is a field or a combination of fields that can uniquely identify each record in a table. There can be multiple candidate keys, but only one of them is selected as the primary key. Here one example. In a student table, both roll number and phone number can uniquely identify a student. So there are candidate keys, but we choose only one, say roll number, as the primary key. Next is alternate key. An alternate key is any candidate key that is not chosen as the primary key. If a table has multiple columns that can uniquely identify rows, that one you pick becomes the primary key and the other becomes alternate key. In example, in a student table, if both student ID and phone number can uniquely identify a student and you choose student ID as the primary key, then phone number becomes the alternate key. So, alternate keys are still unique, just not the main key. So, that's all about types of keys in DBMS. Thank you.